There are two technical issues that are absolutely critical to SEO, and you can learn them in less than 5 minutes. Everything in SEO starts with crawling. If Google's bot isn't able to crawl a page, it can't index it, and unindexed pages can't rank in search. Google doesn't have unlimited resources, so they set a crawl budget for each site, the frequency and extent to which they will crawl that site. This budget is different for every site depending on a number of variables. So part of the job of an SEO is reducing friction on our site, roadblocks or slowdowns that might cause Google to reduce or waste crawl budget on our sites. Here are the issues that most often cause crawling capacity to break or slow down and be wasted. Broken pages, pages that simply don't work, and redirected pages, pages where incoming traffic is directed to some other page or chain of pages. Broken pages don't just waste crawl budget, they are also a bad experience for users. 500 error levels are another type of broken page. In this case, the page might exist, but for some reason the server couldn't bring it up in sufficient time. Our site audit reports enable you to find these critical errors that can block or deter search engine bots and create bad user experiences. These should be made high priority for fixing. However, always double-check 5xx level errors that show up in our crawl reports. It's possible the page shows fine to users, but our crawler was moving too fast and made it fail, or their site may be blocking our crawler from that page. You can check by trying to open the page yourself in a browser. You can find the pages that may need to be fixed by going to the Parent Page Details tab in the Audit Details, and creating an advanced filter to find the appropriate status codes. The Parent Page Count column links to a list of all the pages that link to the page with the broken status code. The client should give this list of linking pages to their developers to have the links changed to functioning pages. The other critical technical issue that should be repaired is redirects. Why are they bad? For one thing, they make Google work harder, wasting precious crawl budget that could be spent finding other important pages. Sometimes these can become chains of multiple redirects, wasting even more crawl budget. The solution is simple. Change the links to all the intermediary pages to point to the existing correct page. It's good to know the main redirect types. They work much like post office forwarding when you move to a new address. 301 redirects are like a permanent move. You want everything sent to the new location forever going forward. 302 redirects are for a temporary move. Eventually you will return to the original page. Again, the fix is simple. Find all the pages linking to the redirected page and change their links to the new permanent page.